Let's start with a simple truth. If your LMS in 2025 looks the same as it did last year, you're already behind. Hi, I'm Darek, and today we are talking about the top 3 LMS features you need this year. Not because they are trendy, because without them, your learning ecosystem risks becoming irrelevant. And if you're working in learning and development or HR, I want you to walk away from this video not just with inspiration, but with specific actions you can take even this month or this quarter. So, are you ready? This channel is brought to you by CDA, from classroom to boardroom, your trusted partner in HR and tech development. Alright, so here we go. Number 1, and no surprise here, AI-powered personalization. Now, we've been hearing about adaptive learning for years, but in 2025, it's not a nice-to-have anymore. It's becoming a baseline. Gartner predicts that by the end of the year, 80% of corporate LMSs will use AI for personalization. That's not hype, that's market reality. Why does it matter? Because employees today don't have time to go through irrelevant modules. They want learning that actually connects to what they're working on, where they want to go. And when we enable that, we see up to 60% more course completions, better grades, faster learning, and higher motivation. And of course, fewer help desk tickets because AI chatbots can answer learner questions right when they need them. So what can you do now? Map your critical roles to skill taxonomies. Let the LMS detect the gaps and suggest content. Use adaptive assessments so learners skip what they already know. Enable AI chat inside the platform to support just-in-time learning. And this is not about replacing instructors. It's about removing friction and boosting relevance. Here we go to number 2, immersive learning. And no, I'm not talking about putting goggles on everyone just to look modern. I'm talking about VR and AR for real skill building in high-impact situations. Think safety protocols, machinery handling, customer escalation. This isn't just fun tech, it works. 75% retention in VR versus 5 to 10% in lectures, 4 times faster completion times, and 275 more confidence applying new skills. Think about it. Not only do people remember more, they apply it better and faster. And the business case? Sure, Fortune 500 companies are already in. Productivity gains, performance increases, retention boosts. So here's what to do. Start with your high-risk, high-cost training areas. These give you the biggest return on investment. Make sure your LMS can launch, track, and credential VR modules. Keep everything integrated. Use the data. Things like dwell time, mistake rates, to refine both training and actual processes. Why does this matter for your people? Because they get to practice tough situations in a zero-risk environment. And when they hit the real-world version, they are ready. Okay, so now let's move to the number 3, predictive learning analytics and ROI dashboards. Here's the uncomfortable truth. 94% of executives want to see clear return on investment from learning, but only 11% of learning and development teams can show it. That's the credibility gap. The solution? Predictive dashboards that tell you who's at risk of falling behind, which skills are becoming urgent, where learning is impacting business metrics or not. And yes, we now have the tools for that. Companies using analytics-backed Audi strategies report 218% higher revenue and 24% higher profits. That's not marginal, that's strategic. So what can you do? Connect your LMS to your HRIS. Use XAPI or LTI to build a shared data lake. Create dashboards for things like time to productivity, compliance exploration, post-training performance. And most importantly, show your results to leadership, not in learning hours, but in business value. And for your employees, this means They get timely nudges, personalized pacing, and fewer last-minute surprises. No one likes being told that they are non-compliant 2 days before a deadline. Okay, let's recap. AI-powered personalization keeps learning relevant and efficient. Immersive modules drive real skill mastery fast. Predictive analytics let you prove impact and prevent failure. Now, ask yourself, does your learning management system support this? And if not, are you building a strategy that does? Because 2025 isn't about adding features. It's about designing a learning ecosystem that actually works for people, for performance, and for business. Alright, thanks for watching, and if this helped you rethink your strategy, hit subscribe, or better yet, share this video with someone in your learning and development team. Let's raise the bar together. See you in the next video.